the leader, enter. Here is with your right, you will step in between your partner's feet. The follower will forward, next step will be to the side. And same thing, aim to stop at that moment. Let's see it from the other side. So you see more the follower now. Also, the stops are good to practice because that makes you work on your groundness and balance, and also to stop the motion anytime. See that we are not stopping in a quick. This one will make it run. Slow. And the other two we could stop in any of those. Now I will make you move away so they see my position. And try to aim to this for the leaders, the knees together. If you aim to that, it's easier to get your foot in the place. Okay, let's try also with no music.